talking about how to stay grounded while you are traveling. I know many of you will be traveling in the holidays. Some of you are traveling already. I'm traveling at the moment, and I can notice it takes a bit of work, bit of discipline, bit of a system to come back to your calmness. It takes a bit of work to come back to your clarity, to your mindfulness. And I'm going to be sharing my tips on what I'm doing to come back to the peace, to come back to the bliss. So, number one problem that I feel that's going to show up a lot while you're traveling, there is unexplained anxiety. There is emotional triggering when you're not at your usual place. When you continue to sleep, eat, do your routine at one particular place, you build a certain energetic connection. And when you are not there, the things start to go a little crazy. You may be in a hotel, an Airbnb, maybe visiting your friends and family. But when you're disconnected from your usual energy reservoir, things start to change. And that could result in your temper, anger, lack of sleep, indigestion problems. And that reflects in business, job, relationships, friendships, the way you show up every day. And I know many of you told me you have been trying your best through listening to certain music, listening to certain podcast, reading a certain kind of book, but none of that has been helping. In fact, the more you read, the more confusion starts to show up, and the result is you just feel helpless many times. My suggestion is keep it simple. And this is my suggestion for many things in life. Keep it simple. And when you're traveling, what can you keep simple? Food. Keep your food simple. I know we all love to tempt on different kind of foods, different kind of options available around us. You could try that. But remember, invite the balance. Eat mindfully. In Ayurveda, the Indian herbal system, we have this saying that if you're hungry 10 out of 10, eat 7 out of 10 or maybe 8 out of 10. Not always easy, but it's worth remembering, because when you feel the temptation, even if you get this right 3 out of 5 times, you win. What else can you keep simple? Emotions. Do not take things personally. Maybe you check in an Airbnb, in a hotel, maybe staying at a friends and family. If the soap is of not your choice, if the mattress is not working for you, do not take it personally. There's always a solution. There's always a conscious choice available to us. But that choice becomes more clear when we are approaching it from some calmness, some clarity. When we approach it from anger, when we approach it from this very personalized attack that maybe it's happening to me, maybe universe doesn't want me to sleep tonight, that's when things start to get a little complicated. So keep your emotions simple, keep your food simple. And the number one spiritual take on this anxiety and uneasiness while you're traveling, listen to this carefully. I talked about how we have this energetic connection to the places we sleep, to the places we live, in a routine way. So when you are somewhere else, you got to build your energetic connection to that place. So whenever I check into a hotel or Airbnb, or whenever I stay somewhere, with friends and family, the first thing I do before sleeping, the first night, I sit in the room, go for a few deep breathings, and then I sent out a conscious energy of acknowledgement and gratitude. Acknowledgement of all the energies, all the known and unknown energies in the room, in the house, in the hotel. All the seen and unseen energies in the room, in the house, in the building. It's so important because we are energy beings. We live in energy world. And if you think you could check in somewhere, do your usual routine and leave that place, not going to be that simple. When you check in somewhere, when you walk in somewhere, it could be a garden, a hotel, church, temple, anything. You got to consciously acknowledge the energies in the place. because each one of us has only one longing: to be accepted, to be acknowledged. So when we check in somewhere, it's very much possible that place has a bunch of restless energies, restless for any reasons. So when you pause, when you calm, and send out this energy of acceptance, acknowledgement, things start to change significantly. The first step in meditation is send out this energy of acceptance and acknowledgement, then come back to the heart, and then invite calmness, clarity. And if you have a mantra, repeat the mantra loudly, not silently, loudly. So let's say your mantra is Soham Namaha. You breathe in and repeat it loudly. Soham Namaha. Soham Namaha. The vibrations spread out everywhere, and as a result, things start to calm down. Things start to come back to a little norm, to a little normal, to a little calming space. I hope this tip helps you. In the next video, I'm going to record a complete meditation focused on just this particular topic. If you are interested in going deeper into this kind of work, I invite all the ambitious seekers to join Leela Gurukul. It's my spiritual school where we invite the ambitious professionals to deepen their meditation, to cultivate courage, calmness, clarity in all areas of life so that you can experience your fullest potential. Thank you for listening and watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.